MDC ka Congress ubade Deputy Chief Executive Member ka KECDC uba Pynshngain NCM ula ong ba ka Congress kamde ban Kyrkieh ban Weng no ya ka Jingiatreilang ban NPP Hindray kan hap bishar ban khan ban swal bha ya ka ni ula ong habakran hakilat pathai bor hak apu ater kunailan aja apsaw hadin balawai ka Jingilang ka party uba Pynshngain ula ong ba ka Jingiatreilang ka Congress bat ka NPP hak KECDC kade na banta ban pintikana ban yo ban ai jingmut halo ka jingpalai ka 6 schedule ka riti sinchar ka ri bat ka wepat na banta ka jingbet jingbiang ka council bat kipat ba haka jingalang kasur ki babun kipat ba ka congress kila dawa ba ka party ka day ban mi no mador na ka bay Trelang bat ka NPP.
The voice of our party workers, why not we relook on the working together decision? We all agree with you that this has been endorsed to the president and along with state leaders to discuss on this issue. Because I think you understand, it is not appropriate for us to act anything in a very hurried, because we are wherever we are. We have only one objective, to do the best for our people. We learned so many things that we have contributed in the DC Council. In terms of regulations and rules, for small example, we have passed many bill and amendment for the interest of our people. That is number one. Number two, as Sir already briefed you, we are during a very important situation where the process for amendment of the 6th bill is going on. I think we all know, not only NPP, Congress, but all MDC, we work together to see that the amendment of the 6th schedule should be the advantage for us. I think you understand that we work together with the very intention for the interest of our people as per our tradition, custom.